Now, I do realize I might look a tad bit overdressed for a video that is not exactly festive related, but we are getting closer to Diwali, so let's just celebrate that. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. And welcome to Diwali 2020. So as I said, this is not exactly festive related, like the theme is not exactly festive, but more like a life and general lifestyle sort of things. But I thought of sharing with you guys some personal care hacks and habits that I've picked up over the years that are really nice, healthy, for you, for your skin, for your body, for your mind, everything. And they will really help you in taking care of yourself. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So the first thing is using aloe vera gel. Like, aloe vera gel is literally the magic ingredient for me. I use it on my hair, on my skin, on my body, everywhere. I love aloe vera gel, and in fact you can even eat the aloe vera from the plant itself, and even that is really great, or drink the fiber that you can get very easily nowadays, and it helps in immunity, digestion and all of these things. Aloe vera is literally the magical plant, and I can't believe our generation uses so less of it. Literally for anything and everything, aloe vera is the go-to solution. But the two ways in which I am going to suggest using aloe vera is, number one, applying a really nice and thick layer of aloe vera gel on your face right before going to sleep. It will rejuvenate your skin. It will sort of repair your skin as well. If you have any sort of acne, excess oil, all of that, it takes all of that away, at the same time also providing hydration for your skin. Using aloe vera gel every night before you go to sleep will improve your skin tenfold within just a week. You will see the improvements in your skin. The next tip for aloe vera itself is using aloe vera gel in your hair. Okay, so not exactly related to shampooing your hair, but you can take a good amount of aloe vera gel and apply it all over your hair. If you are not very prone to catching cold very easily and everything, then I would suggest you keep it overnight. But in case I am quite prone to catching cold, so for people like me, you can just apply it 1.5 hours before you're going to take a shower. Just apply it all over your hair, on your scalp. It will clean your scalp. It will give your hair such a wonderful shine. Like, no serum or hair mask or anything can bring the shine that aloe vera can, and it makes your hair super soft. So moving on to the next habit. Now this is going to be a little controversial, and I myself don't like this habit a lot, but at the same time it's really beneficial. So if you can get over the I don't like it part, it will definitely benefit you. It is drinking 1 teaspoon of ghee every day in the morning. I hate the taste and smell of ghee, okay, but even then I did give it a try, and it is great for your skin. It will improve your digestion. It is one of the good fats, and at the same time, if you are thinking of giving up sugar, but if you're someone who gets a lot of sweet cravings, it also controls your sweet cravings. So, you know, if you're thinking of reducing sugar intake, or if you want to go on a diet, and you know, if you have a lot of sweet cravings and you know they become a little uncontrollable, and depriving yourself is not always a good thing, so in that case, having a teaspoon of ghee really helps. All you have to do is like take 1 teaspoon of melted ghee, preferably if it's homemade, that's the best. If not, just make sure it's pure cow ghee. Drinking it in the morning. Don't eat or drink anything till half an hour after, like, have the ghee, and then don't drink or eat anything for the next half hour. That's it. That is all you have to do. If you don't like ghee like me, it will feel a little disgusting for the first like 2-3 days, but after that you will actually see the difference in your skin and in the way you feel. The third is something super duper beneficial for both your skin and for your respiratory and olfactory system. That is taking steam. Like, obviously अगर नाक बंद है तो you can take the Vicks वाला steam जैसे होता है and all of, but you know that's not always necessary. What you can do is add a vitamin E tablet, Evion का tablets आते हैं, उसको add कर दो in the boiling water and take that steam. It will be so great for your skin. Your skin will feel super soft. It will remove all the excess oil from your skin. It will open up the pores. All the blackheads and everything can be removed very easily after you have taken a steam. Plus, it will really clear out all the toxins and everything that are sort of blocked in your nose, in your throat, all that वो भी clear हो जाता है. So super duper easy, super beneficial. The fourth is something super duper important, especially in the winter season, that is sweating. So in the winter season we don't sweat, right? Because ठंड हो जाती है. But sweating is super duper important for your body to release all your toxins and everything. So you can do literally anything. You can just take a steam, like it's sort of connected to the last point itself. You can take a steam, उससे sweat होता है. But the sweat is even more beneficial if it comes from some sort of a physical activity. That could be from brisk walking to a full-on workout, brisk walking, dancing, jogging, Zumba, a full-on workout, yoga, whatever your pick of physical activity it is, just do that. It will make you sweat, it will make your body sweat. All the toxins and everything from the body, they get out through sweat. And the second benefit of doing a physical activity is it releases dopamine and adrenaline that will make you feel much more refreshed, happier, charged up, and it makes you feel better. It will definitely take you to a more healthier mental space. The next habit is such a healthy and important one. It is right before you go to sleep, wash your feet and massage them. Now, obviously you don't need to massage your feet like a proper acha massage, but what I mean is, so right before you go to sleep, wash your feet very nicely. If you can, wash it with soap, नहीं तो गर्म पानी से normal या warm water से पैर अच्छे से धो, dry it off, apply a good moisturizer or some lotion, oil, whatever you want, and apply it and massage your feet a little bit so that your foot gets the blood circulation that it requires. It will also help you in keeping your foot moisturized, because especially winters mein feet zyada crack ho jate hain, so that is a good habit. Plus it also takes away a lot of stress and the tiredness you might have had from the day. It will take that away, and like right before you go to sleep, you'll be really relaxed. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you thought of this video. I would love it if you could share this video with everyone and subscribe to my channel. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy.